Hey everyone, it's Dustin with TechMD. Today we are going to be fixing a Google Pixel 3a XL. It's quite the mouthful. Anyways, all the tools and parts are going to be in the link in the description. I highly recommend purchasing it from us because we can actually guarantee the parts and quality, and you're going to get original parts. Also, we are traveling to downtown Salt Lake. If you don't know about our company, we are a mobile repair company that does traveling throughout the state of Utah, Las Vegas, and soon to be Arizona. Anyways, enjoy guys, thanks. It's Dustin with TechMD, a little quick commercial break. We got a product called Liquid Glass that can cover your phone against $400 in damages or even $150 in damages. It's super cheap and it's good for a whole year with no deductible. I'm going to have a link in the description below describing the whole product and how the whole process works in a separate video. Thanks for watching. Now back to the video. So this is a Google Pixel XL3 because it has a plastic back. It looks almost identical to the actual Google Pixel 3 XL, except for one key important thing. See the part here? It actually clips in right there. So we know that the screen's going to come off this way. And this repair is so much more simpler than our hour-long job for Google Pixel 3 XL or 3. So that's how you tell the difference. So we're going to take a heat gun today and we are going to warm up the front screen. You want to get a heat-resistant glove so you don't burn yourself. And just make sure the phone is turned off too. Sorry about the unusual camera angle. I'm actually using a different mount today at the moment. I forgot my camera equipment because I just moved. And this gentleman here was kind enough to give me his camera equipment that was mounting to this table here. So we just want to get it hot to the touch, just enough to pull it off. I'm assuming this is a plastic frame as well, so you want to be careful not to break that. So we're just going to take our iFlex tool here and just run it along the sides. All the tools are going to be linked in the description as well as the screen. I highly recommend purchasing the parts from us because you'll know that you'll get good quality and a 1-year warranty with it. As long as you don't break it, you're fully covered for a whole year. Do you know if you charged it?
It's charged.
Okay, cool. If you can't get your phone turned off, which could definitely be a thing, you'll have to hold down the volume down and power button to turn it off. Do you know if it was off or you couldn't turn it off because the screen didn't turn on?
It's not off. It'll vibrate if that's back.
Yeah. So right now his screen is turned on, and so we're going to have to use that technique to get it turned off. Actually, let's see if we actually need that. Nope, we don't. It comes with all the pieces we need. Alright, let's see what kind of screws we got here. It's kind of covered so it's hard to see. Looks like a T5. So we're going to get our T5 screwdriver. This looks very similar to the Google Pixel 1st gen. Put some good pressure down so you don't strip it, and then just untwist it here. I'm going to go ahead and unclip the cable. I just like to lift up, straight up. Got some good solid tape holding it down. I guess they were worried about the cable popping out. Just looking inside, so it looks like it's one of these screens that you definitely have to get the screen off in order to remove the battery or anything else. We're not going to be doing that today. In the future I'll probably do a video like that, but right now we are not. Before I put down any adhesive or anything else, we're just going to check the screen and make sure it works. It is our only one, so hopefully it does. Cable's a little short here. And it doesn't really give us a lot of room to place the connector. Don't put any pressure on the screen, just the cable itself here. I'm trying to get this lined up here. I could maybe push it in with my finger, but no such luck. I'd love to move this cable up more so we'd have more room, but not having any luck there either. Okay, so I'm not exactly, okay, it's directly in the center of the connector and then really close to the top. Try this again. Jeez. I would have to say this is the worst kind of connector to plug in. Okay, I finally heard it snap. I'm just double checking. Alright, so we're gonna hold down the volume and power button here. Okay, we got it. I'm just gonna click start and then we're gonna check the screen here. Screen's all working. Let's see if it'll let us turn it off. It will. Alright, so next step is we're gonna remove, actually next step, let's put the bracket back in. I'm gonna go ahead and remagnetize this screwdriver so I don't have to manually put those in. This is a pretty straightforward repair that anyone can do with the correct tools and parts. I have a little bit of slippage, so I'm going to try different size here so we don't strip it. Cheap screws. You don't have to technically put down tape, but I am, just for the fact that they had tape down. If you drop your phone hard enough, it could come out, but I highly doubt it. Okay, now that we got that done, let's clear out some of this leftover residue. And you could disconnect this and reconnect it, but it was kind of a pain to get on anyway, so that's why I'm not doing it. I'd recommend doing it the way you feel comfortable. Okay, so we're going to get some T7000 and we're going to apply the glue here. Okay, I actually left some extra glue. You don't have to have it perfectly clean, but try to get it clean as you can. Don't put any glue in the holes. Just be very light about it right there. You don't want to take too long on this. This starts drying pretty fast. You can use tape if you so desire. Remember, watch out for these holes. Don't put any glue in the holes. You don't know where microphones may be laying. Okay. Glue's out. I'm going to remove this blue shield here. One more final check before I seal it. It's good. Remove one piece down here that I forgot about. Sorry about the bad lighting, guys. Make sure your camera doesn't have any glue in there. It's really critical before you seal it. Put pressure on it for about 30 seconds. Just rotate that pressure a little bit. Make sure that these are getting pressed down really good too. Okay, make sure your screen is sitting down good. This side is not. So just putting a little bit more pressure right here. Oh, the phone's a little bit bent. If that's the case, you're going to have to use stronger glue, such as Gorilla or Super. I really should have been putting it on a paper towel. There we go. Now all we have to do is apply some liquid glass and get him protected. So that way if he breaks again, he's covered. My voice is apparently going out. Okay, so any leftover residue, by the way, just wipe it off with some alcohol and microfiber rag. I appreciate everything, guys. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. If you found something wrong with it, let me know. I can always learn. And remember, the parts are in the links in the description, same with all these tools here. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching, and have a good one.